Good evening to one and all. Okay, as for our discussion, today I am explaining about the fifth experiment. Okay, I already completing first experiment, second experiment, third experiment, fourth experiment. Today is the fifth experiment. That experiment name is write a program to addition and multiplication of the complex numbers. Addition and multiplication of the complex numbers. Okay, to addition and multiply the integer values is very easy compared to complex numbers. Okay, addition and multiplication of the floating numbers is very easy compared to complex numbers. Okay, right. Before talking about the before implementing the programming, what is complex number? Okay, what is complex number? Complex number is combination of the real part and imaginary part is called complex numbers. Okay, real part and imaginary part, that is the complex numbers. Yes or no? The addition of the imaginary part and real part is called complex numbers. Okay, if in case we are adding the two integer values by using the arithmetic operators 10 comma 20 equal to 30, but in complex numbers to adding is different way, just adding the two real parts, after that two imaginary parts. Okay, two imaginary parts. Alright, now I am implementing the code. If you are seeing the coding now, that is very easy. Just open the my working environment, that is a Visual Studio Code. Okay, what is the problem statement? Problem statement is, okay, what is the problem statement? To addition and multiplication of the complex numbers exp5.py. Okay guys, you know like what is the extension of the Python programming, how to save the Python program. How to save the Python program is extension.py. Okay, file name you can use any name. Okay, file name is any name, extension is must and should.py. Okay, in this program I am using the another one of the concept, that is typecasting techniques. Another technique is typecasting techniques. Just I am taking the inputs from the user integer values only. Okay, I am taking the input values from the user input values only. First, a my variable a equal to only integer values, input of enter a value. Okay, after that b value. Okay, after that b value. Just here just I'm commenting a value is 10, b value assume that just b value equal to 20. After that just a comma b values converted into complex numbers. Okay, complex numbers, just I am printing the a comma b. This is integer values are a comma b. Alright, now print of which type of data type. This is by using the type method, type a. Next type b. First, before I am converting the variable, first cross check it is the complex number or floating number, integer number. Yes or no? Just run the Python program. Enter a. A is the 10, b is the 20. Okay, 10 comma 20. Okay, just assume that a equal to 10, b equal to 20. What is the 10 comma 20? 10 comma 20 is the integer value. Okay, integer value. But what is the our problem statement? To add and multiplication of the complex numbers. That's why I'm converting the, okay, just that's why I'm converting the a comma b values into complex numbers. C equal to complex of A comma B. Okay, complex of A comma B. Just here print C variable. Next comma, which type of this C variable is which type? Right, again I am running my program. Enter A value equal to 10, B value equal to 20. Okay, here which value is coming? This is the 10 plus 20. 10 is the real part and 20j is the imaginary part. Yes or no? Just I am taking the inputs from the user is integer value, that is 10 comma 20. After that I am using the type casting techniques. Okay, type casting techniques. Here just I am using type casting techniques. Yes or no? Here I am using the type casting techniques. Here I am getting the value is 10 plus 20j. This is the imaginary number. Okay, right. What is the problem statement? Addition and multiplication of the two numbers. Okay, now I am getting the only one number. That one is the only one complex number. Okay, again I need to another second number, another second complex number is I am using the same manner. X equal to int of input of enter same. I am using the z variable complex of x comma y. Again I am checking z comma type of z. Just remove these statements. Run the Python programming. A equal to 20, b equal to 20, x equal to 20, y equal to 40. Yes or no? Here I am getting the complex number is 20 comma 40, right? 20. I am using the single line comment. 40 is j. Here x equal to 20, y equal to 40. Right? Just both are complex numbers. Right, C variable and Z variable both are the complex number. Now I am using the addition and multiplication. Addition means by using the variable. Sorry for disturbance. Just to understanding purpose I am writing the variable is add. Okay, add C plus Z. Print addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers. Just run the program. 10, 20, 20, 40. Okay, 10 comma only adding the in complex category data type to adding and multiplication to adding the only in the real values 10 plus 20 equal to 30. After that imaginary values. Okay, imaginary values 20 comma 40 equal to 60. Okay, same manner multiplication also. Multiplication is C star Z. Mul of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers, just print C. Just running the Python file a equal to 10, 30, 40, 60. Okay, right. What is the first complex number? 10 plus 30. Second complex number 40 plus 60. Okay, 40 plus 10 equal to addition of the two numbers 50 plus 60j. Multiplication of the two numbers equal to minus 1400 plus 1800. Yes or no? This is the fifth experiment of the Python programming. Okay guys, thank you. Have a nice day. See you next class. Bye bye.